All right, I am 7 days out. Yesterday when I made the video, I remembered I said I was 9 days out. So as of today, I am 8 days out, and tomorrow I'll be 7 days out. It's been a rough day. I'm not sure why, because my calories didn't get lowered at all. But I had a pretty rough day. I have a feeling it's because of my fats. I've chosen to make my food without any fat, and so I've been eating macadamia nuts as my fat source, and for some reason today I forgot to pack them in my lunchbox, and so I normally have it early in the day, maybe 45 minutes post workout, and since I didn't have it, my energy was pretty low, and also I had been using caffeine, and I have not taken any, and I sort of stopped cold turkey, so that probably plays into it too. And the other issue is that the temperature dropped dramatically. It's pretty cold, so I felt pretty tired all day. I couldn't warm myself up. I felt cold, and after getting home, I just got into bed and tried to relax a little bit, and just told myself I have to go to the studio. I have to sit in front of the camera and do something, because I am 8 days out. The time is getting closer and closer, and truthfully, I don't feel like I am where I want to be, where I need to be, because I look at people online. It's not because I'm comparing myself to people in a negative way, but I see the people that post showing their abdominal section and their abs, that when they say they're 10 days out and stuff like that, they're quite far along where you can see their abs and see their definition. So for whatever reason, I'm not there. I'm not sure what those people are doing differently that I'm not doing, but I'm not there yet. So I'm hoping that in the next few days, I'll be able to make that transformation, be able to manipulate the things that I need to in order to get to that point. I have not prepared my meals. I need to do that, because I know I'll be very disappointed tomorrow. I've been doing this for 7 months now, and so I'll be very disappointed if I go to work and I don't have my meals prepared. This will help me transitioning into making my meals for tomorrow and making sure that I keep with my plan. And again, as I said yesterday, this is not the best way to plan, but it's better than nothing. It's a monthly calendar with the little squares in there, not even enough space to write anything, but it's been working for me for the past 2 months, and at least I'm doing something to keep track of things. So I had planned on working out on Sunday, but I'm gonna take off tomorrow and Sunday. I'm hoping that by Wednesday I'll be where I want to be, and the 28th, which is Friday, will be my final day. And I know it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be really rough, because I'll be lowering my sodium. So that's one of the notes I have on here, that I'll be lowering my sodium, or not be taking in any sodium at all. But of course, on the 28th, I'll be bringing those up so I can have energy and stuff like that. So I am really excited about that. A lot has happened, but I refuse to let any of it get in the way of me getting to that point, making it to the 28th. I know that I probably could have done better without all the distraction, but I will make it there, and hopefully next time, with all the experiences and everything that I've learned, I'll be able to do better. I also went shopping today because I've been thinking about what to do with my hair. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with my hair. I know I'm just gonna style it myself, but I haven't decided what kind of style I'm gonna do to it. And right now I am in dire need of a wash. I can feel product buildup, and the product that I used in my hair initially made it feel moisturized, and so it's made me lazy about putting water in there and keeping it hydrated. And so I need to wash it out and start taking care of it. I have just a few days to get my hair to be shiny and looking nice. So I went to the store today. I don't know how many more trips I'll have to do until the final day, but I went to the store and got a few things that'll help me with doing styles on my hair. And actually, I will have to go into my whole hair background, but as you may know, I was adopted, and so my mom didn't know how to care for my hair, and so when I was younger, I would get cuts all the time. This guy would come to our place and just shave my head like a little boy. I looked like a little boy. It was terrible. But I was young. I didn't have much say in it. I just went with the flow. But looking at my pictures, I looked terrible. And then when I got older, I ended up shaving all my hair completely and looking like a real boy. At least when they used to cut my hair, they would leave a little bit, but I shaved my head once completely. So as an adult, it felt very differently because it was my choice. I really loved it. I haven't done it since then, but I really liked it. I am a little behind as far as hair care, but at the same time, I am an expert hair braider. I always braid my hair, and I can braid other people's hair too. But at the same time, as far as retaining length, keeping my hair hydrated, and getting it to grow, I am terrible at those because I tend to be a little rough on my hair. But this whole transformation has been about getting better every day, and I have been getting better every day. So I'm excited about learning more about my hair, how to take care of it, and hopefully someone will find the information that I know useful. So on to what I got today. I ran quickly right after my workout to get these. Someone had recommended Jackie's curls and coils custard for me, and so I got that one because I don't have a curl defining cream. There were some other options, but because I had a recommendation, I chose to go with this one. I am totally excited to try it out because I've never really tried styles like that before, so hopefully it's gonna turn out well for me. And the other things that I got are these rollers here. Actually, I'm not sure whether I realized that or not, but these are fairly long. I actually may not have needed those anyway. This will be enough for my hair. So I'm not sure what happened there, but these are pretty long. I should have gotten more of these than the longer ones. And I also have these fairly small ones, just in case I need them. So actually, I'm pretty certain I'll have to return these or go exchange them for the right size. I also got these ones, and these I'm pretty sure I got the right sizes, so I'll probably experiment with these ones first. And there's another set of gray ones, but they're a little smaller than these ones. So that's what I got. And then I got one of these for putting water or rice water to be able to get it in the roots of my hair. And that's all I got for today. Oh goodness gracious, I felt so tired earlier, but just coming here and sitting down and trying to share a little bit it will get me rolling to prepare myself for tomorrow. I need to go and do a, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh my goodness, I'm blanking out. Close off, I'm gonna go do pictures so that I can compare with my earlier ones and see whether I've made any progress. It's important at this stage because I need to know whether I'm changing or not. On with the progress check. So I mentioned to the person that I'm working with at the gym that when I took my progress pictures, I sucked my tummy in. And so he said that I was cheating myself because then I don't truly see where I am. But I am used to training with people that always sucked their tummy in, whether they were lean or not. Because of that, my before and after pictures won't exactly make sense. If you look at them, you'll say, oh, that should be her after picture or whatever, but she looks different. So it's going to be hard for me to do comparisons because of that. But last time I did progress check, I did not suck in my tummy, so I can at least go back that far to be able to compare them. But this is where I am, which is why I was saying that I'm not where I want to be, because this is not cut. This is not cut. And by the way, excuse my unshaved Haitian precious cargo here, but I'm waiting till a few days to shave around when I'll be doing my spray tan. So anyway, this is not where I should be. I feel like this is where I should have been maybe 3 weeks ago, and that I should be lean out and just, you know, rocking it right now, but I'm not. So I did have my full meals today, and I'm just hanging in there and hoping that by the 28th I'll be where I should be and everything will come together. So I'm not sure exactly what to say about it, but this is where I am. I've been working really hard for 7 months, so I'm really hoping that there's something there to show for all the work that I've done. But I have to say that when I do suck in my tummy, I do see some definition and a little bit of abs in there. So hopefully once I deplete and get the water out, I'll be able to see those definitions as well. So that being said, I'll do a little bit of posing. So my first pose is here. And that's it. That's my posing. I've had that routine for a few years now. Again, I had been working on this for a long time, and I could never get myself to lean out because of my pinched nerve and scoliosis. But since my pinched nerve got fixed and I keep up with my treatment for my scoliosis, I've felt much better. I feel so amazing, so amazing that I have to have something to show for it, you know. I have to have something to show for all the pain that I went through. And so I will see you on day 1 for updates. Definitely check my day 1 updates